Dancehall DJ Bounty Killer has announced that his long-awaited album dubbed King of Kingston will be released in December. Now, in a post on his official Instagram account, Bounty Killer shared that the project will feature Junior Gong, Richie Stephens, Chronix, Chris Martin and Romain Virgo, as well as icons Shabarangs, Barrington Levy and Sanchez. King of Kingston will also feature dancehall greats Vibes Cartel, Agent Sasco, Busy Signal, Dexter Daps and Sprague Benz, plus soca star Bunji Garlin and hip-hop superstars Busta Rhymes and DJ Khaled. In this caption, he also noted that the album surely won't disappoint. The project follows his album Fifth Element, which was released all the way back in 1999. And still on Bounty Killer, he and Grammy winner Shaggy are leads on the new Do Run Rhythm from Mr. Do and Shaggy Productions. The Do Run Rhythm was inspired by Delroy Wilson's iconic reggae classic Run Run. The veteran producer is well known for hits that he produced for major reggae and dancehall acts. The project was released over the weekend and features 10 songs. It includes Shaggy and Rayvon's Drive Me Insane, Bounty Killer and Brian and Tony Gold's Things You Do, among others. Mr. Do, given name Cargill Lawrence, was one of Jamaica's top producers in the late 1980s to early 90s. His catalog includes hits like Cockatoos, Rikers Island, and Ninja Man's My Weapon. Now, rapper Kanye West secured his 10th #1 with his newly released project Donda that debuted atop the Billboard 200 albums chart. The album gained 309,000 equivalent album units in the United States, making Donda the biggest album debut so far this year. Released in August 29, the album picked up over 775,000 global streams. Donda is also #1 in the United Kingdom. Meanwhile, his musical rival Drake's 21-song album Certified Lover Boy continues to break records on Apple Music, now with 3 songs from the project beating the record for most streamed songs in 24 hours. The project has speedily smashed records, some already held by the Sixth God himself, including the Apple Music record most streamed album in a day. And on Spotify, Drizz's album earned 153 million streams in a day, while it also beat out his own 2018 effort Scorpion to pass the same Apple record. I'm Daedran reporting for ePrime.